This module will introduce you to the summary page. When you are ready to add, view, or manage a summary page, click on Date of Service in the Patient Demographic screen. If you know you want to go to the last summary, click Last Summary. Click Date of Service. If this is a new patient, this screen will be blank. This patient is existing. If the status is finalized, this signifies that the date of service are complete. If the status is in process, this signifies that it is not complete. You can view any of these by right-clicking on a summary and selecting Review. We will now add a new date of service for this patient. Click the green Add button. This opens up our summary page. Let's review our screen. The first icon is your patient list icon, which takes you to the patient's list. Date of service takes you to the previous screen. Last summary will open up the last date of service for the patient. Notification list takes you to your notifications. Eligibility allows you to check eligibility. This drop-down allows you to access the patient information ribbon. Summary brings you to this screen. SOAP View All brings you to the SOAP Note screen. Notes allows you a place to create notes on the patient. Vital Signs allows the medical staff to add vital sign information. Problem List is where you would add and manage your ICD-9 codes. Review of Systems allows the medical staff to add information about the patient's systems. Charge Procedures is one of the places that takes you to the adding and editing of CPT and ICD-9 codes. Claims Details is a view of the claim form that can also be edited. This is another place to access the Referral tab. Lab Tests is where you would go to create a requisition, view the labs, and attach your labs to the patient's record. Medical and Surgical History is where you would add any medical or surgical history that pertains to the patient. Finalize would be used when this summary or data service is complete. Go to Charge Slip will take you to the charge slip for billing. Export Summary Information allows you to export the patient's summary as different files. The summary screen is divided into 4 quadrants. These two to the left display medications and allergies to medications. Double-clicking them takes you to the e-prescribed section of the application. To the right, non-drug allergies and problem list are accessed by double-clicking on them. Nurse's Remarks is where you would put the patient's chief complaint. Date of Service is where you would make sure the accurate date of service is displayed. If you would like to keep track of the time spent with the patient, you can do so here. This concludes our overview of the summary page.